Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for May 7th going into the 8th. I'm going to start off with the S&P 500. Made new highs this morning at 74.10.50. And then rolled over a bit. Okay, we've been bullish overall from 35.02. We've seen 3,908.5 into the bullish trend. Number of other bullish calls in here. Then we rolled over. We held exhaustion down below at 63.53 and a quarter. We bounced 1,057.25 and the trade above 64.8350. I said projects this upward 125 plus. We attained 927. The trade above 65.6650. I said warned of continued strength, likely for 245 plus. We've seen 844 so far. The trade above 71.1950 has brought in 291 of strength. The trade above 71.91.50 minus 48 has brought in 219 of the strength warned about, although I stopped short of suggesting leaning against that as a long. And then the trade back above 72.5850 has brought in 152 of strength. Decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 73.1462 plus 1.2 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll project this downward 110 minimum, 280 plus maximum. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent short covering to come in. A maintained gap lower tomorrow will also leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, and the gold. We had left a minor and medium bullish reversal below here yesterday. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. We had held exhaustion at 49.1770 and rolled over 407.6. A couple of the bearish calls in here, those are all on hold. And we had retired one of those this morning. Then we held exhaustion below with a 45.10 low and rallied 265.1 into a bullish correction or trend against the move down from 49.1770. And we also had a bullish suggestion to go above 45.6760, which brought in 207.6. The trade above 46.0710 brought in 168.1. Like I mentioned, we'd already left that medium bullish reversal below. And the trade above 46.73 projects this upward 150 plus. We're 102.2 into that so far. So that was holding this exhaustion here, breaking above this formation, breaking above this formation, breaking above this formation. We did hold this exhaustion briefly and rolled over, tested above it and rolled over. But I said that likely this is the next exhaustion above if this is a corrective move, but that is not due to hold more than temporarily if it holds until Sunday night when we reopen at 6. Decent failure below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 7 to 40, 38. Excuse me, that does not come in soon, which comes in at 47.0380, excuse me, plus 11 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant a decent pressure. This other formation right here comes in a little bit higher. It comes in at 47.1340. But decreases 5.5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. A decent break below that would also warrant decent pressure. The maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, in the Bitcoin, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade above 65.585 brought in 17,630 of the strength warned about. We also had bullish calls above 64.425, 67.310, 72.66, 74,608, 76,953. Although I stopped short of suggesting leaning against that as a long. We trade above 78,325. And although I said to maintain gap higher, left that minor bullish reversal below. We rallied, we rallied 4,480 from the 78,735 open. However, I noted that we held exhaustion up here at 83,189 with an 83,215 high. Although I had that listed, I did not suggest shorting against it. But nevertheless, we've rolled over. We've also taken out both of these formations right here, which I suggested getting short below it. I said decent trade below 81,109 plus 14 per hour will warrant decent pressure. And we have come off to 79,645 so far. We also left a minor bearish reversal above, and that'll also warrant pressure. If we trade back above this formation decently, that's going to warrant a decent strength. That's going to come in at 81,010. Plus 5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.